Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove gray cell border in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I remove gray cell borders on this sheet. At first you have to select a cell to click on your mouse, then drag on your mouse to all cell, then right click on this selected cell, then you can see here are a format cell option, then click this format cell option. Now you can see here are many menu. Now you can go border menu. Now we remove this all gray cell borders, then go to presets menu, then you can see here are a none option, then click none, then press OK. Now you can see I remove gray cell borders in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.